to choose keywords for a website? If you are trying to stand out in the crowded digital landscape, knowing how to choose the right keywords for your website is essential. Although there are a multitude of elements that contribute to an effective website and successful marketing campaigns, having an appropriate keyword strategy can be critical in driving traffic and bringing more views to your website. What are keywords? In SEO, keywords are the words or phrases that people use to search for information on the internet. Website owners and digital marketers use keywords to optimize their content and website for search engines, with the goal of improving their website's visibility and ranking in search results. How to do keyword monitoring for a website? Collect your keyword ideas. Your best bet is to bring your entire team together and brainstorm. We write down everything that comes to mind, even the stupid at first glance ideas. We put ourselves in the shoes of the buyer and think over all the options for search queries that he can enter. First, we collect keywords for entire site as a whole, and then key phrases for each page separately. As a result, you will receive a list of high-frequency words for your site. They will form the basis for the semantic core. Compose the semantic core. In digital marketing, the semantic core refers to a collection of keywords and phrases that are relevant to a website or business and are used to optimize the website for search engines. The semantic core includes both primary and secondary keywords as well as related terms and phrases. To compose a semantic core, it is best to use keyword research services. Use a keyword research tool such as Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Moz Keyword Explorer to generate a list of relevant keywords and phrases. Enter a few seed keywords related to your business and the tool will generate a list of related keywords along with their search volume and competition level. Cleaning the semantic core. At this stage, we remove everything that is not related to our business or our topic. We also remove phrases containing the words free, cheap, used, if this is not our specialization. Inquiries mentioning other firms, names of regions if we do not plan to work with them, and phrases with spelling errors. The keyword clustering. Keyword clustering in the process of grouping related keywords and phrases into clusters or themes based on their semantic similarity and relevance to a specific topic or concept. Keyword clustering can also help improve the user experience by providing more targeted and relevant content based on the user's search intent. What you need to know and consider, especially if you want to find rankable keywords for a low DR site. If you have a new site or you have not done SEO before, you need to start by choosing exactly those keywords that have a low keyword difficulty. These are the exact keywords that your site can compete for on Google. With keyword research services, you can see which keywords are ideal for you at the very beginning of building your SEO strategy. Your task is to find a keyword with keyword difficulty easy, but at the same time with a high volume of requests. Investing time and research into finding the best keywords for your website will pay off greatly. Lastly, don't forget about consistent analysis and tracking to ensure that you are continuing to use top-performing keywords. Spending just a bit of time selecting and refining the right keywords could make all the difference for your website and garner greater success down the line.